Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a high contrast theme to your Android or Samsung phone. Go to settings and you want to scroll down to where you'll find accessibility. You want to tap on that. From here you want to click on the vision enhancement, and then you want to go ahead and enable the high contrast theme. So once you click on high contrast, your phone will be in high contrast. But to change this theme to make it look much better, you want to click on the high contrast theme below there under the colors and clarity. So if you tap on that, you now see that you have two options, the yellow and the blue option. So let's say I would like to have the blue option. I can tap on that. Then it will take you into the Samsung store. You will see the option here. You can go ahead and you can click download, and this will download the theme for you. So as you can see, it's currently downloading, and all I have to do is just simply click and apply. And once I apply, it is going to apply the theme to my phone. And there you have it, guys. My phone is now applied with the new theme. So if I go back to my settings here, go to themes, you can see that it's now selected and I have the blue theme. I can also do it for the yellow one by downloading that as well and applying it. Once I apply, it will apply the theme to my phone, and I can always go back and switch between whichever theme I want. If at any point in time you don't want this, you can go back to the themes, guys, and you can simply click on none, and it will put it back to the default theme. It will just take a moment to apply it, but your phone will go back to the default theme as you wish. And as you can see, my phone now has the default theme. You can also go back to your settings, and then you can always put it back to default. Click and apply if you don't want to have high contrast mode on your phone anymore. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.